This video will get removed because the system will always protect the lie. Understand ukuthi this is the biggest in the world. The truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. Asiqale bazoyisusa le video. Once upon a time, a long time ago, ngo-1569, uGerardus Mercator created the biggest lie in the world. And guess what? To this day, they still teach iy'ngane lamanga because umuntu omnyama will never question the system. UGerardus Mercator had a dream of drawing a map of the world, and the same map he drew ngo-1569 is the same map we use as of 2026. Understand ukuthi even though updatile bayishintsha, but it is still called the Mercator projection, and it is still the biggest lie in the world. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi the Mercator map stretches land, umhlaba, the further it gets, the more ikude from the equator. What does that mean? That means ukuthi Europe looks bigger than it really is. In North America looks massive and Africa looks smaller than it should be. It is all a lie. In reality, Africa is 30.37 million kilometers and in North America is 24.71 million kilometers and Europe is the smallest with only 10.18 million kilometers. And understand ukuthi this is the truth. Kodwa manje the system will always protect the lie. They refuse to show the original size, the true size of Africa, because they want us to feel inferior, and ingane will continue to learn this lie just like they have been doing for 425 years. On the map that we currently use, Greenland looks similar in size to Africa, but the truth is that Greenland is only 2.16 million kilometers and Africa is still 30.37 million kilometers. That means Africa is 14 times bigger than Greenland. Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi although the Mercator projection, i-map was created ngo-1569, it became popular, it gained momentum ngama-1600s to ama-1900s kuze kube manje 2026. We still use it. Kodwa back then, Europe controlled over 80% of the world's land. Africa was divided and colonized. And in narrative, pusher in Europe was that small Africa and powerful Europe. They needed to brainwash umuntu omnyama and convince them ukuthi they are nothing. Understand ukuthi you can fit Russia, US, China, Brazil, Europe, India into one continent, which is Africa, but they lied to us and convinced us ukuthi we map sibancane. And understand, and according to the research that was done by abantu, people who wanted to know the true size of Africa, they discovered ukuthi you can fit lama country into one continent, Africa, at the same time, proving ukuthi thina we are the second largest continent. Currently, as of 2026, platforms like Google, they still use their own version of the Mercator projection, which bona bayibiza nge-web Mercator, and they have their own reasons why bethi ngeke bayishintshe imap. Mabesho allegedly, they say it keeps shapes accurate for navigation, it works smoothly for zooming and GPS system, it's compatibly efficient, it's all a lie. The system will always protect the lie because the lie always protects the system. Into engishoyo mina ukuthi ask yourself, how can uCanada, United States, no Russia be bigger than us? Why kuvela kuncane kanje? Hlakanipha mntu omnyama and try to understand ukuthi Africa isn't small. We are the second largest continent in the world, home to almost 1.4 billion plus people. Yes, that is about 17% of the world's population. We contain almost 30% of the world's minerals. So how can we be so small? Akwas. Sometimes you have to understand ukuthi Africa holds 14% of global gold reserves. Yes, 90% of chromium and ne-platinum. We have so many things. Kodwa manje, you seriously think ukuthi kwi-map singaka?